One question I've been asked time and again from a lot of you is how do I find the time to do YouTube with being a busy full-time working mom? So I will be covering that plus sharing some healthy lifestyle habits that have forever changed my life. Thank you so much for joining me today. Without further ado, let's get started. Understanding your power of why is very important. What is it that you're doing it, why you're doing it? When we started our YouTube channel last year, both me and my husband, we have full-time jobs and we do YouTube on the side. So when people do have busy careers, they look forward to weekends to relax or throw parties or catch up with friends. But we both lived and breathed creating content for this channel, and we still do, and it does get exhausting at times. But in those times, we try to reset our brains to why we are doing this. And my why power is I love to research, I love learning new things and sharing them out with people. And through YouTube, I get to share my passion, my creativity, and that fills my life with purpose and gives me immense satisfaction like no other. It's true that to be able to get more from life, you have to be willing to give more. Yes, there's gonna be a lot of hard work, but it's gonna be so worth it. The next thing that have completely changed my life is the perfectionism problem. I will admit, I've been a long victim of the perfectionism problem. I wanted to try new things. I wanted to start my blog, start a YouTube channel, but so many years I thought, I'm not perfect. I don't know this. I don't know that. I don't have the time. If I had this, if I had that. Just know that you don't have to know everything to get started. You will figure out things along the way. Just take the first step. That is the most important thing. Everybody starts somewhere. The very first video I posted, I was so nervous in front of the camera. I had no idea what I was doing. The editing was a bit off, the music was off, but that's okay. We posted the video anyway. And 56 videos later, I am so glad we got started. The next thing that I want to talk about is social media. So social media is fantastic. It's great to learn new things, find new inspiration, but it's so easy to go down in the rabbit hole. Sometimes you just need a break, If you want to focus on important things or important projects that you have going on in your life, it's okay to detach yourself from social media to take a break from time to time. From my personal story, a couple months ago, I was working so hard creating content for this channel and it was going nowhere. And so that's when I decide to completely get rid of some of the apps on my phone just so I can focus even more on the things that I truly love to do. So that small break I took helped me grow my channel significantly in a short period of time. Try to use social media to your advantage to learn new things, inspire or follow the right people that bring the best in you, not the stress in you. You are the average of 5 people you spend the most time with. So please choose your circle of friends carefully. The next thing I want to talk about is Pomodoro technique. So we all have 24 hours in the day. It's about the choices we make throughout the day that either help us stay productive or you can just let the day go by doing random stuff or nothing. So I follow Pomodoro technique to get more done and beat procrastination. In simple language, in Pomodoro technique, you choose a task and work on it 25 minutes undisturbed, and then take a 5 minutes break after. This 25 minutes session is called a Pomodoro. The concept behind Pomodoro technique is that if you work 25 minutes straight without any distractions, you will end up getting work done faster and more efficiently. Several years ago, when I got started on the Pomodoro technique, even with setting aside 25 minutes, I would get distracted. I would often find myself checking my phone, going on Facebook, going on Instagram. So to get in the habit, I made sure when I was doing the Pomodoro technique, my phone would be on Do Not Disturb. So that way, I'm free of distractions. I'm just focusing on what I need to get done in those 25 minutes of the dedicated time that I have. And once you get in the habit of doing your work in 25-minute time slots, it will just become a second nature. You'll love it so much. And then finally, I want to talk about books. I consider myself to be a lifelong learner. The day you start thinking that you know everything, learning stops right there. And I don't want to be in that trap. If you want to start something new, or you want to draw good inspiration, you want to feel motivated or happy all the time, books are a great resource. And in today's day and age, the busy lifestyle we all have, we don't necessarily get the time to read books on a daily basis, but audiobooks is a great resource. I use Audible app on my phone to listen to audiobooks when I'm working out or doing stuff around the house like folding laundry or cooking, etc., which helps me learn new things and stay productive even when I have a super busy schedule. So those were all of the healthy productivity habits that I had to share today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and want to show your support, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.